need to discuss about, that is called as union, intersection, and difference. These are the three commonly appearing ones. It may be SQL language or wherever you go, it will be available. I can handle this one using the operator, like we have the pipeline, or you can use the function that is called as union. Any one of these things will work similar way. But you know what is the difference between operator and function? Operator will work better always performance wise than the function. So if you have the provision of using operator, I will give first priority to operator. If operator is not available, then I may go for what? Function. So in this case, union I can achieve using operator, or I can use function. Second, I have here intersection. This also I can use operator, or I can go for function. Third, I have here difference. Here you can use operator as well as function, whatever you like it, you can go for it. Let us try to do the same activity. Okay, so we are trying to learn about number one. First one will go for union, we'll go for it. What is that? Union of two sets, we want to do it. Let us say I am trying to create here A is equal to one of the set. That set is called as, okay, A comma, then we are trying to take here B comma, then I am trying to take here, let us say C, I am trying to take it. C, I am trying to take it. Now that is a one set. Then B is equal to, I am trying to take here, let us say commonly in all the faces, I am trying to take here, A is a common item I am taking. Then D is a different item here. Then I am trying to take here, next is E. Now I want here one more set also. A number of sets you can create it basically. Let's say C is equal to, suppose I am writing here A is common I am taking. Then I am trying to make sure next things are F. Then next thing is, let us say G, I am trying to take it. Different items we taken. Now I want to do the union. Simply we can write here A, then followed by pipeline, then B, followed by pipeline, then C. Now we are able to see all the items are came or not. But A is repeated 3 times or only once? Only once it is came, right? Why? Because set does not allow duplications. It produces only unique elements only it produces. Now, if I want to use this is operator, right? What used? Operator, we used it, union operator. If I want to use the function, I can use the function also. I can write here A dot union of B. Then what we are getting, this is the result. On top of this result, again I can write here dot union of, what is this? See, now we are able to get full length result, we are getting it. This is using function. It is using what? Function of the union. Similarly, I want here intersection, I want it. Intersection purpose, we have to use here and symbol, we have to use it. Suppose we are writing here A and B. What is the common one? A is the common one. Even if I take the C also, what is the common one? A only common, because all the 3 places, what is available? A only available. So if I want to write same thing using intersection, you can go on again, write here using intersection. A intersection B is equal to what we got? A. Even if you write on top of it dot intersection, if you are writing intersection, it is working. It is busy. Okay. Intersection of, what is this? See, I am writing. Now you can notice the result will be, again we are going to get here A only, we are going to get it. It's still working. It is currently showing as bit busy. Let it work. Or I can go for here interrupting this one. Okay, by the time I go for interrupt, it is worked. Now I can see intersection I can see here what is the value we are seeing it. All the three intersection is what? A. Now, if I want to do the difference, I want to do it. A minus B means what we are going to get it, whatever available in A, but not available in B. What are the items? B and C are the answer, right? B and C are the answers. Suppose I am writing here minus C also. Still we are going to get the same kind of result we are going to get it. For this, if you want to write here a difference of B, it is using what is this function we are using? Dot. Again, if you write here difference also, we are going to get here same kind of result we are going to get it. Now, if you want, change some of the values and try to play around it. In notes, I given here best examples I given. You can go and you can walk through it. I taken 3 different sets called as engineers, managers, programmers, like that. There are engineers are available. There are programmers are available. They are acting as a managers. But there are some managers. They are not, by virtue they are not engineers. They are not programmers. They are managers. Possible or not possible? Some MBA candidates came. He did the masters in business. Then directly will promote as a manager. He's not an engineer. He's not a programmer. But he's a manager. That kind of example is what? Jock. Jock is available as a manager. Available as a manager, but is not available inside the engineers or inside the programmers also. This example I taken directly from the Python help document I used, and I taken this example. Okay, please walk through it. So finally, what you learned inside the set? What is the conclusion? We know now what is set. It is a collection of items, collection of unique unordered items. How to define the set? You can use set class or you can use curly brackets. You know how to, what is the meaning of size, what is the meaning of membership, what is the meaning of no index. You know what you mean by change the items. You can do the add, you can do the update, you can do the remove, you can do the discard, you can do the pop, whatever you want. You know what you mean by union, intersection and difference. Even we did with the operators, with the functions also, but recommended is using the operators is recommended. Please work it out. We'll go for the next one. Operators, we'll try to look into it. Thank you.